Good morning. In the first video, we have studied about reflection of light, that is bouncing back of light in the same medium is known as reflection of light. And we also know that for reflection of light, smooth surface and polished surface is required. Now, mirror. A polished surface which reflects almost all light incident on it is known as mirror. इसका मतलब रिफ्लेक्शन मिरर में हम देख सकते हैं या इवन देखते हैं. सो मिरर इज एग्जाम्पल टू शो द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. नाउ देर आर टू डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मिरर्स. One is plane mirror and second is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is again divided into concave and convex mirror. So, what is plane mirror? If the reflecting surface of a mirror is plane, then that type of mirror is known as plane mirror. Now, properties and characteristic of plane mirror. It is always virtual and erect. We have also studied that there are two different type of image. One is real image and second is virtual image. Real image is always inverted and virtual image is always erect. Number 2, size of image is equal to the size of object. मतलब जिस साइज का ऑब्जेक्ट है उसी साइज का इमेज होगा. नंबर 3, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द इमेज एंड द मिरर इज इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द मिरर. इमेज और मिरर के बीच का डिस्टेंस और ऑब्जेक्ट और मिरर के बीच का डिस्टेंस सेम होगा. अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को 2 स्टेप्स आगे करेंगे तो हमारी इमेज भी 2 स्टेप्स आगे होगी. नाउ फोर्थ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज द इमेज इज लेटरली इन्वर्टेड. लेटरली इन्वर्टेड मीन्स लेफ्ट appears right and right appears left. Now next type of mirror is spherical mirror. As we know that there are two different type of spherical mirror. One is concave mirror and another is convex mirror. If the reflecting surface of a mirror is curved inwards or outwards, then the mirror is known as spherical mirror. Now see, sphere. This part is convex part and this part is concave part. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Outer surface is shining, inner surface is shining. Concave mirror, convex mirror. आपको कॉन्केव मिरर और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर की अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करनी है क्योंकि आप लोग अक्सर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो कि कॉन्केव मिरर कैसा मिरर है और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर कैसा मिरर है. Now let us see concave mirror. The spherical mirror which with inward curved reflecting surface is called concave mirror. Concave mirror is also known as convergent mirror because here a beam of parallel rays meet at a point, converge at a point, that's why it is known as convergent mirror. Now next is convex mirror. The spherical mirror with outward curved reflecting surface is called convex mirror. Convex mirror, concave mirror, and this type of mirror is also known as divergent mirror because here parallel rays after reflection diverge. That's why it is known as diverse mirror. Now let us see different important points, that is pole, principle of axis, center of curvature, focus, focal length, radius of curvature. I have drawn one concave mirror. The center point of the concave mirror is known as pole, and this is aperture. इस पोल से ये जो लाइन जा रही है, दिस लाइन इज नोन एज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एक्सिस. Different parallel rays when meet at a point, this point is known as focus, F, and this point is center of curvature. पोल और फोकस और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बीच का डिस्टेंस सेम होगा. सो पोल P, फोकस F, C is center of curvature. The distance between pole and F is known as focal length, and the distance between pole and C is known as radius of curvature. There is one formula, F is equal to R by 2. इस फॉर्मूला से रिलेटेड हम मैथमेटिकल क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. एंड दिस इज डायग्राम showing convex mirror. Again pole, focus, center of curvature, principal axis, focal length, radius of curvature. इसको रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर क्यों कहा गया है कि सपोज इट इज बिग स्फीयर और सर्कल का हाफ पार्ट रेडियस है, full is diameter, that's why it is known as radius of curvature. Thank you.